Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are in Tianjin. We arrived last night. This is the last day of our northern China adventure. And again, we've used this city as a stopover to break up our trip back home to Hangzhou. However, we have heard great things about Tianjin. It is a gorgeous city where you can see lots of amazing architecture. There's so much history here. Now, just to give you an idea of where we are at the moment, we are just next to the railway station, the Tianjin Railway Station. We arrived there last night, just before midnight, and there are plenty of hotels in the area that you can stay very close to all the cultural attractions in Tianjin. And our hotel was literally just a 3-minute walk from the railway station. Now, my face is freezing right now, so if I can't speak properly, my apologies, but it is so cold. So it's about -9 degrees at the moment. Actually, maybe less, but it feels like -18 because of the wind factor. So it actually feels like colder than a lot of the places that we've been on this trip because of the wind alone. You can literally feel, oh, thank you, Eva. You can literally feel your nose burning, like your face burning from the cold. But anyways, we're going to go explore as much as we can by foot, and we'll take you on our adventure for one day in Tianjin.
Them big nuts.
We are currently on a walk towards the 5 Great Avenues, which is definitely a must-see place from what we've read about Tianjin. Our first impressions of the city so far is that it's very pedestrian friendly, it is clean, it is beautiful. You can definitely just come here and go for a wander. There's lots of historical buildings around. I'm going to show you some of them, even have plaques to show you what they signify. They're all protected. So far, we're enjoying ourselves. I had just mentioned that you're going to find plaques on important buildings around here. This one has one of those as well, explaining it's a historical and stylish architecture of Tianjin. But you're also going to find plaques like this one that have a QR code. You can actually scan them and it's going to give you information about that particular building, like when it was built and a history as to why it was built. I find that really interesting because you can do your own walking tour. So if you like history and architecture, this is the place for you. This street is just so beautiful. You've got all these gorgeous buildings dating back to the early 1900s. You could easily be somewhere in Europe. Then you got the paved road, and we even found a Dublin Irish pub, although some of the menu choices on there are a bit questionable with things like durian pizza and a couple of other really weird things.
Gonna go in?
Yeah, let's go in. Let's have a look. So we are done. We had lunch here. We had a couple of pizzas and I had a sea bass dish with a cream sauce, and the food was delicious. We also had a couple of drinks. Very good prices. And we're going to continue on our walk to where we were originally going. Let's go.
Chilling? Here's Poser.
We have have just arrived at the Wudadao Historical Culture Tourism Area, and this area apparently has over 2,000 buildings in the European Western style. Honestly, so far we have been blown away by the architecture in Tianjin, and we have really enjoyed walking through. We haven't done anything particularly interesting, just walking around. It's fantastic. I really do recommend it. Just to clarify, in this area, out of those 2,000 buildings, it includes buildings of former celebrities and politicians from modern China. So yeah, really cool. Now we're going to go find the clock, which is just a little bit further down, and find somewhere to have a nice hot cup of coffee. We have officially arrived at the clock of the 5 Great Avenues, and as you can see, we're not the only tourists that have stopped here because this is an important landmark, but this also marks the end of our visit to this part of Tianjin. We're going to visit another place that you just cannot miss if you're coming to Tianjin, so follow us for the journey. Also, while you're here, you're going to find people trying to offer you tours as well, so you can do that if you don't want to walk, but honestly, I absolutely recommend that you do walk the area because that's where you get all the great pictures from. All right, let's go. So in this area that we've been walking through, you're going to find lots of lovely little cafes that have single origin coffee. Now, they also come with an interesting price tag. For us, when we were in Harbin, we found this coffee shop which is called Coty Coffee, and we can all get a nice warm drink for under 50 yuan, which is just under 10 Australian dollars. So that works for us. But if you're looking for a nice place to sit down and have a cuppa, you can definitely do that here as well. It's now time to move on to our next destination. We've ordered a Didi for this one because the walk is about over 1 hour, and the pace that we've been going it will probably take us about 5 hours. So we've gotten a 6-seater Didi, which fortunately it was possible here in Tianjin because it is a much bigger city, but in most places we've been having to get 2 taxis instead of 1 because there's 5 of us. It can be sometimes a tiny little bit more expensive, but it's worth it because we travel together. We have arrived at our next destination. We took a Didi or taxi in a 6-seater, and that cost us 50 yuan. It was about a 15-minute ride, just over 4 kilometers, and we are here at the ancient cultural street, and we're basically back in China. You cannot come to Tianjin and miss this, so let's go explore it now. This is such a cute street. You can see that we're definitely back in China with the Chinese architecture, the decorations, the red. It's just beautiful. And we got 2 monkeys here playing. It is nearly 6 o'clock in the evening, and I'm not entirely sure what's going on. My understanding is that it opens from about 10 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock at night, and that you shouldn't come too early or too late because some of the stores might actually be shut. I was expecting this to be a little bit more happening. Some things look closed, so I'm not sure, but we're going to keep walking and see what's going on a little bit further down.
What's this, Eva? It's octopus. It's octopus.
Is this real?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like it's fake.
Come on. Well, it could be.
I think it's baby.
I don't know what's inside.
No, inside here, the drink. What's the drink?
I don't know.
It's got a drink.
Drink.
But what is the drink?
I don't know. Try it.
收钱包到账30
And this is try this
It
off.
might be bean juice.
The kids are just trying some street food. What do we get, Joaquin?
Dumpling.
And what's inside the dumplings?
Beef.
All right. Do you want to try it and tell me what you think?
It's good.
It's good. What do you think, Eva?
Good. And the drink is not Coke. It's actually like a different drink.
Oh, okay. How did you try?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you think?
Good.
Yeah.
But it's a bit hard.
A bit hard. What, the outside?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so the pan-fried dumplings. Good. And they were 35 yuan.
They're
So-
very oily.
It's kind of like a cup that comes with a little bowl on top so you can just carry it and drink and eat at the same time.
It's so oily.
It is quite oily, yeah.
Oh.
Show me this cup here. Good drink?
We've just picked up these sort of pastry log. It seems to be in most of the shops along this street, so we figure we'll give it a go. It was 6 yuan for one log, and Joaquin's going to try it now and tell us what he thinks.
And he's gonna oop his face. He's gonna oop if he doesn't like it.
No, he's going to tell me. What do you think, Joaquin?
Good?
Does it taste good?
Is it sweet? Is it salty?
Let me try it.
If you know what this is, you can let us know in the comment section below.
I think it's a bit sweet.
It's a bit sweet, yeah? Crunchy?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, does it have like the texture of a cookie or...
A cookie, yeah.
Yeah, kind of like a cookie?
But it's harder.
But harder. Okay. Perfect. I'm not trying it because I can't eat this kind of stuff at the moment. So relying on the children to let us know if it's good. Okay, he likes it.
I like it.
All right, David?
My turn. Do I vlog myself? Trying to turn the camera around. Alright, hello. It is like a cookie.
Yeah? What's the flavor?
But it's harder?
I don't know.
Daddy, is it?
We don't know.
Just like a sweet biscuit.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what else we find.
Can't pinpoint the flavour. I'm sorry.
How dare you? All right, let's keep going. That was boring. We've just finished our walk of the ancient cultural street. You're going to find lots of souvenirs, different kinds of foods, lots of different types of shops here. We really enjoyed it. Now I realize that it's quite quiet at the moment. It is a Friday night, so I'm not sure if it gets any busier than this. I would imagine that it would when it's not so cold. However, we are done. From here, I would recommend a walk down to the river to see the Tianjin Eye. It is a very important landmark in Tianjin because it is the only Ferris wheel in the world that goes over a river. So I think that's really special. We're going to try to walk down there, but I can't promise anything. We are absolutely freezing. But other than that, we would love to come back to Tianjin because I realize that there's so many other things to do. If you can recommend any in the comment section below, that would be amazing. When we get back home, we're going to be sharing some more videos of Hangzhou, which is the area where we actually live at. But in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you do so. And we will see you on the next one.